Good morning, everyone. Today we are doing scraps to embellishments with Ginger over at Ginger's Corner, and I will have all the links down below to other people that are doing the YouTube videos, and also to Ginger's Corner, where if you want to join us, you sign up there. And also there are some people that post their embellishments on Instagram, so it'll be there. And so the theme is anything that has to do with a sunflower. So I have this is Momenta, and I purchased it at Tuesday morning, and I'll tell you, I had quite a time with it. It was not wanting to cut all the way through. It took me 3 to get it right, and I finally got enough. I just took like the cover of a paper pad and cut it to the size of my, well, like it's part that they call the sandwich, so I stuck it in there. And then I used my, first I tried using the self-healing mat, and from Scrapbook.com, and that didn't work because that's my favorite. I just love that one, and it was just not working, so I ended up hunting down where I put my plastic one, and then I used that, and I still had to put in a sandwich, so it might have actually worked with the Stambook.com one if I would have tried another, just one more piece of cardstock in there. So anyhow, here's one that's done, and I'm using Mintay butterflies. I had some from Hobby Lobby, but I'm just not loving them. So it's like I'm gonna use the Mintay ones, and it'll be all different ones. It's from the Wings book. Okay. So now hop right into it. Okay, I'm using my little brush again, and I'm using Rustic Wilderness. First I cut it out with yellow paper, and one side is textured, and I didn't realize it until I'd done a few, so probably 3 of them are, 3 of them aren't, depending on the side that I had up. I don't know what people will get, and I don't know which way I will like it the best, I have to say, because I did that one, and this one is the textured side, okay, and this one is not, so I don't know if they'll look any different or not. I can just feel the difference, I gotta say, but that's it. Only when I rub my nail over it and feel that texture. Okay, so I'm just using the Rustic Wilderness to do the leaves, and then I am using Vintage Photo. No, that's not what I'm supposed to be using, or was it? It says walnut stain, but I think this is what I used, and I liked it. But maybe I used a little bit of both, because there was some color on here already. So I'll see if I like this. Actually, I can't tell the difference. I'm going to try the other one and see which one I like the best. Or maybe I need both the colors to really get the color that I want. Who knows? Oh yeah, I think I like the darker a bit better. Okay, so I like that there. Okay, and then I have Vintage Photo on here, and I wanted this also for the fence. Okay, so this is cardstock from Hobby Lobby. It's their paper studio, and this one is from the paper pad, and it's thicker than the one that if you just buy it single sheets. Oh, but you can only get it in the 8.5 by 11. And I'm just making it look like a fence. Let's see, I've got probably two different, I've got a thick one and a thin one, I think, whenever I cut them. So, there we go. So I'm just inking it because I want it to look like a piece of fence. Oops, I'm abusing it. Okay, I just want a little more on the bottom where it'd be shaded. I kept thinking, what can I put it on? And then on the cover, they had it on wood, and I was like, oh yeah, I like that. And then I tried out a couple different woods, and by the time I inked it, I liked it on the white because it seemed so bright and cheerful. So I like that the best. Okay, so I'm gonna glue that down. Now, when I cut them, I just cut them freehand. So the wider one is gonna go on the bottom, because I thought it looked better like that, to have two different sizes. And I want the darker part on the bottom. I'm putting this one at the top. I still in frame. Sometimes I downside, or make this the frame closer, and it's like, and then I step right out of it. Okay, and I'm gonna make like little nails in it, so you can see where it's put together, because there's little nails here, and I'm using gray Crayola color pencils because I thought that looked close to what was there. And then I'm taking the gray pencil and just putting a little bit of shadow underneath here. And I'm doing it at the bottom too. Just getting a little more shadow on it. Okay. And I liked the flower where the leaves were a little bit off center, and hopefully I can get that into my envelope, and I'm just going to grab one and see before I do another. Before I do another one, just in case so it doesn't work. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I don't know. Let's see. If I tip it like that, will that do it? How much of a turn do I have to give it? Oh, because I really like it that way. I wonder if I could just send them separately and have everybody just glue their own sunflower on. Because I don't like it that way as much as I like it that way. What to do, what to do. Yeah, because that way ain't gonna do it either. Okay, in that case, I am going to, I think, it's like I just don't think of that part. Let me see, I like it this way too. Let me see if that's enough. Okay, that would do it. Okay. I guess I need to build it on here. Okay, so I could put it to here and have this much of an angle. I like that fine. I like that there. Okay. So that's how I'm gonna do it. I almost wish I could just put down there was something temporary. So if you didn't like it there, you could move it, but I think that looks pretty cute that way too. Okay. So I just need to have it there. And turn this until it's in the right place. Oh, and I still have it upside down. Oh, but I like it that way too. Okay. Yeah, I like it that way, all right. Maybe even better. Okay, I'm good with that. Okay, so here's my butterflies I'm picking from. I need to cut out more, so I'm just going to use what I have here. I really, really love this one. And I'm just going to glue the body part. That way, if you want to put dimensionals behind here, you can. Because this is just a mini swap, so we're supposed to keep them flat. Oh, and I better keep my butterfly in line too. Oh yeah, we're good. Okay. So I'm just going to put it like that. Okay. So they'll all be just a little bit different. This one I'm keeping myself because it won't fit in the envelope. So these ones will be in there like this and they will fit. Yeah, that will work. Okay, so I know I need to build them all on here. Okay, so that's it for today. Go check out everybody else who's doing them, and I'll go finish making them and they'll be ready to mail. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I'll have close-ups at the end. Bye-bye.